Hey my peeps, what is up? It's been a fucking long time. I decided to start up again. And we got some germination here. Let me get a little closer look. These are green crack. 6 of them in there. Those 2 are pineapple express mixed with tuna kush, I believe. And these 2 are my white widow autoflowers. The 2 that I have left, hopefully they're still good to go. They've been sitting in a bag in my drawer for about 7 months. And I figured I'd start back up again, boys and gals. If you are new to this, hit that like, hit that subscribe. Check out my other videos, guys. It's been a really long time. But these I got randomly in weed. Same with those, so I'm not expecting much from either one of these. That's why I got 6 of them in there, and 2 in there. These are my main 2 that I'm focused on. So we'll check back in 18 hours, and hopefully we're good to go.